Hi, good evening, and I'm actually very excited to be at this awards. I'm also getting an award, and I think मेरे लिए बहुत exciting बात है that they're giving me the Trendsetter Award, and I hope that I keep doing things that make them believe in me to get that award. And yeah, I'm just looking forward to the evening, and I hope to have some good fun. Thank you. Well, for now, you're going to see me in Majava, which is next. I also want to thank everybody for appreciating Dede and making it such a big success. And next up is going to be Majava in October, and rest I'll let you know once. I am very overwhelmed. I am so thankful that people, I mean, I obviously was hoping that the film is received well, but I didn't think that the magnitude would be so much, and people will really remember Aisha's dialogues and, line maar rahe ho, aur wo jo bhi uske dialogues hain. So I am very happy. In fact, the first day I got a little emotional and I messaged the team, thank you so much, and they were like, what happened to you? Teko kya ho gaya? And so I have been just very overwhelmed, and I'm very grateful. जी 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 NGK. NGK has been released yesterday, and मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखी है. मैं कल देखूंगी. But openings are amazing, or I think that they're the biggest openings in Surya sir's career, so I'm hoping that it also works. सूर्या सर के साथ मैंने कार्तिक के साथ 2 फिल्में की हैं, और सूर्या सर के साथ फर्स्ट फिल्म थी, एंड बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. वो बहुत ही स्वीट, ग्राउंडेड और बहुत सिंपल हैं, सो इट वाज रियली नाइस वर्किंग विद हिम. जी, इट्स क्रेजी. आई थिंक जो काइंड ऑफ फैंस हैं या जो फैन फॉलोइंग है सूर्या सर की, या साउथ में स्पेशली तमिल में, वो बहुत ह्यूमंगस है, बहुत ह्यूज है. एंड ऑल आई कैन से इज दैट एवरी एक्टर फील्स एक्सट्रीमली ग्रेटफुल फॉर ऑल द लव. थैंक यू. थैंक यू. हाय.
So I've been shooting quite a lot for Just Urbane, and I think it's a very cool magazine, and I think it's on the way up. It's going to get more popular very soon. I wish them all the best. This is their first awards, and always happy to support them and be here for them. Yeah.
Yeah, I host any award, I feel like I'm a newcomer. I have butterflies in my stomach. I feel nervous. I still haven't done my script, and I'll be just going in and rehearsing the script. But obviously, very excited. Abhishek is a very, very dear friend, and always there for him. So looking forward to the awards.
We have always seen you hosting dance shows and everything, so it's a different experience. How do you feel about it?
I think I've hosted everything, be it dance shows, music shows, award shows. So I think it's nothing new, but yes, I try and bring out everything new in the show I host.
A few words about the magazine.
I think it's a great magazine. Yeah, I love the magazine. It's my friend's magazine, and I love the quality of it. The first thing, because that's the first thing I told him. I said the moment you look at the magazine, you want to grab it. You know, so all the best to them. यार अच्छा ही होता है, फिल्में आ रही हैं तो बड़ी खुशी होती है. बस आ जाएं जल्दी जल्दी और अच्छी बन जाएं, बिकॉज हर एक्टर मेहनत करता है, मैं भी मेहनत करता हूँ और यही चाहता हूँ कि मेरी भी फिल्में अच्छी करें, सबकी फिल्में अच्छी करें, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट ओनली कोई सेल्फिश इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता यार. आई थिंक हमारी फिल्में अच्छी करती हैं तो इंडस्ट्री का अच्छा होता है. सो यही है, सब लोग उसी तरफ मेहनत कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू.
Ma'am, how much excitement for today's event? How much excitement? Are you nominated for any award?
Well, actually, I'm very excited to see Mr. Tharoor. After the elections, I think it's going to be very nice to see him, and that's the excitement that I'm waiting for.
You love Congress Party.
I have always loved Congress Party actually, but yes, the wave is different this time, and honestly, I am also with the wave, which is benefiting the society and benefiting our country. But yes, Congress, I have always loved.
Okay, what recently Rahul Gandhi is in big trouble he's in depression, a lot of people say.
Oh.
What do you want to say?
I think I have always loved him, yeah. He is such a nice character, I don't know, but I'm very fond of him in some way or the other. A very sweet personality. Yes, I think, I don't know, it can be politically incorrect to say a lot of things at this point of time, but I just feel that Rahul Gandhi, I am very fond of him personally.
Okay, any of your web series also coming, can you share that?
Oh yes, I'm very excited. First time I think Zeenat Aman is going to be acting, and I think after a very long gap that she's coming. इतने long gap के बाद वो वापस आ रही हैं. तो first interaction जब मेरा उनके साथ में हुआ तो मैं इतनी डरी हुई थी. But very nice, very sweet lady. बातों में बहुत अच्छी है. Well to do in her words and perfection. I'm really looking forward for this. Very excited. Sorry? अरे आप उनके साथ में इंग्लिश ही बात कर लोगे ना आप अपनी इंग्लिश भूल जाओगे ऑनेस्टली अगर आप उनके साथ इंग्लिश ही बात कर लोगे मैं खुद मिस इंडिया हूँ मगर जब मैं उनके साथ बात करी थी मैं अपनी सारी प्रोनाउंसिएशन माय पंक्चुएशन माय एडजेक्टिव्स माय नाउन मैं सबका ध्यान रख रही थी बिकॉज आई थिंक आई रियली लव द वे शी टॉक्स आई लव द वे her whole enunciation and pronunciations are and I think her whole personality at this age also I think she's kept herself very nicely.
Thank you.
Thank you all the best. Thanks.
Thank you.
debut award, so I want to wish them all the best. And it's a good, initiative that everything covers: entertainment, politics, and fitness. So in तीनों चीज़ों में, I think I love all three. So yeah, it's superb. I think it's a very good initiative. See, every actor, performer, for them, awards are like, the best thing to happen. So we work for that, we work for the, appreciation. So it's a good gesture. So yeah, I to love awards. And especially if I am getting one. Upcoming projects, yes, soon, very soon. I love the idea and I love the content which is coming on web right now, and I'm so happy that our industry is trying and making good web content. So yeah, I want to do something which is good in content, not anything in web also. So yeah, I'm a little choosy. Thank you, thank you.
I might be amongst the fittest guys. And how excited? Very excited, yes. They loved my action. I'm glad they loved my action, and I'm glad the kids loved it. It was about elephants, a new story. So I'm glad it did well, and I'm happy people loved it. क्या? कमांडो 3 ख़त्म हो गई है शूटिंग और अब मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ रिलीज़ करने के लिए. स्टोरी बहुत डिफरेंट है, अनलाइक कमांडो 1 and 2. नया कुछ ट्राई कर रहे हैं. ये डबल तो पता नहीं होगा ही नहीं होगा, बट धमाका तो ज़रूर होगा. So fans or people who want to just get fit, I think the most important thing is to just get started, stop taking tips, decide on what you want and just start working on it. You will find a way. Everything is important, whether it's capoeira, whether it's yoga, whether it's Kalaripayattu. Everything is important till the time you work on it, till you move. If you move, everything will work for you. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. गोल्डन परी, ये क्या कैसा टाइटल है? थैंक यू. ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा. जल्दी से तैयार होकर आ गए थे। अर्बिन अवार्ड्स के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा उत्साहित हूँ और yeah, I think there's a lot of surprises inside. I'm going to win an award as well, so yeah, I'm happy. एक्चुअली कल से ही पागलपंती का बॉम्बे का स्केड्यूल शुरू हो रहा है, सो कल से ही शूट है पागलपंती का और काफ़ी अच्छी फिल्म की शूटिंग जा रही है. आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी. Anees Basmi is an amazing director and working with all the great actors, Anil Kapoor, John Abraham, Arshad Varsi, Pulkit, entire team, it's always fab.
Any prank happen in the set with John and Arshad Varsi? They are both musty personality they have.
नहीं, वो अभी तक नहीं कर पाए कोई प्रैंक मेरे साथ. अभी तक तो नहीं कर पाए. नहीं. Well, Anil sir is so inspiring. उनका मुझे फैशन का जो अंदाज है और अमेजिंग एक्टर तो वो है ही. मेरा पहले से ही एक ख्वाब था उनके साथ काम करने का जो पूरा हुआ.
Next week, Bharat will be releasing. How much excitement to watch this movie? Salman and Katrina Jolie.
I'm really very excited for Bharat. I think Salman sir is really amazing. Katrina ma'am is, as usual, so beautiful. I'm so excited to see Bharat here.
When will we see you with Salman Khan?
वो आपको उनको पूछना चाहिए कि कब. मुझे नहीं पता, but yes, I think I would always love to work with him. He's such an amazing human being, so yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks.
अर्बन अवार्ड्स पर क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर? अर्बन अवार्ड्स पर क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
कुछ नहीं.
Sir, are you selected for any category for the award?
I think so.
Can you share that?
No.
Sir, at least you can share us.
You'll see na. Why ruin the surprise? Everyone wants to know about the film before the film is out. Watch the film.
Okay, how much excitement for this event, such a big today event?
I'm wearing purple, so extremely excited.
Any upcoming project would you like to share?
No, I've been told strict instructions not to talk about it.
Okay. Are you doing web series or film? It is an upcoming project. Web series or film?
Oh, there's that. They just put it out in the newspapers that Bijoy Nambiar's next film is coming out. Not coming out. It's going to start shooting in July. It's called Tesh.
And
So-
Eid is coming, and would you like to wish your fan Eid happy?
Eid Mubarak.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Hi. Hello. Right in time.
आप दोनों ही बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लग रहे हैं, दोनों ही ड्रेस में. क्या कहना
Thank you.
चाहिए? कितना समय लगा आपको तैयार होने के लिए?
समय ये लड़की को नहीं पूछना चाहिए बट it took us a while. वैसे भी हम दो है तो टाइम मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है and it's our first
She
time.
always takes longer than me. I can get ready in half an hour, but Prakriti will always take at least 1.5 hours. She has a record of never breaking that. So
But we're very excited to be here. It's our first time. Also हम बहुत ही special performance करने वाले हैं, so we're looking forward to that.
कौन से परफॉर्मेंस होगा वो बता दीजिए, कौन से डांस?
हमारे जो कुछ गाने हैं जो आप सब लोगों ने इतने प्यार दिया है, some Bollywood songs that we have sung, and हमारा सिंगल भी हम परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. So हम 10 मिनट के लिए बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग परफॉर्मेंस अंदर करने वाले हैं.
मैगजीन को लेकर कुछ नहीं, आप अर्बन मैगजीन के कभी आपने पढ़ा होगा, क्या आपको ज़्यादा पसंद आता है?
We in fact saw the last month ka issue and it had Shankar Mahadevan on the cover and we're such a big fan of him, and we'd actually read the spread also. The magazine's always been fantastic.
We just got the issue yesterday. One each, so we are still waiting to go through the entire magazine, and I'm sure it's going to be very interesting.
किस गाने परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं?
Of course, Sukriti ने करके छोड़ दिया तो वो तो गाएंगे, and of course I'm going to be singing some of my songs, Hawa Hawa and Gazab Ka Hai Din, and some songs we absolutely love.
Yeah.
Also हमारा पहला single जो कुछ महीने पहले launch हुआ था, we will be singing that as well. Performance छोटी है, but it's super special.
दो लाइन गाते हो जाए तो बहुत अच्छा
क्या गाए?
गाने
थोड़ा request गाना तो गाएंगे.
आप गाने वाले हैं या
You should.
Hi. I think this is their first award, and I want to congratulate them and wish them all the best for future. जिस तरह के अवार्ड हो रहे हैं होने चाहिए. अवार्ड्स तो जितने हो उतने कम है, होने क्यों नहीं चाहिए? जितने लोग अप्रिशिएट किए जाएं उतना अच्छा है मेरी लाइफ में. well, मुझे लगता है कि अप्रिसिएशन ज़रूरी है. हर इंसान अप्रिसिएशन के लिए काम करता है. ऑफ कोर्स आप अपनी खुशी के लिए काम करते हैं, लेकिन अगर उसे सराहा जाए तो और अच्छा लगता है. सो या अवार्ड्स आर गुड, दे आर नेसेसरी. हाँ जी, OTT प्लेटफॉर्म ने बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए बहुत सारे दरवाजे खोल दिए हैं. आई थिंक आज OTT प्लेटफॉर्म की वजह से एक्टर्स का ज़माना है. सो आई एम हैप्पी फाइनली एक्टर्स का ज़माना जो आना चाहिए था, जो रहना चाहिए था हमेशा, वो अब फाइनली आया है. बिकॉज ऑफ OTT यू आर रिकग्नाइजिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टैलेंट, बिकॉज ऑफ प्योर टैलेंट, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ कि वो किसी फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हैं, या नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ वो कहीं बड़े बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं, बट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ प्योर टैलेंट. सो दैट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट. और बहुत सारे लोगों को इसने करियर दे दिए हैं, बिकॉज पहले आपको कुछ लोगों को के ऊपर डिपेंड करना पड़ता था. अब आप खुद अपना नेटफ्लिक्स हैं, जो चाहे बनाएं एंड प्रेजेंट करें. आई थिंक इट्स फैंटास्टिक. हाँ जी, मेरी फिल्म आ रही है इस वक्त. पहले बाईपास रोड, जिसके लिए मैंने अभी भी रैप अप किया है. आई विल स्टार्ट द डबिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. फर्स्ट दैट विल कम एंड देन अ लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स विल कम. बहुत अच्छे हैं वो, बहुत मज़ा आया मुझे उनके साथ काम करके. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. वो आई वुड से इज़ अ ऑल राउंडर. उनको सारी चीज़ों का पता है सेट पे. तो इज़ लाइक अ वन मैन आर्मी. सो या एड फन. थैंक यू.
Hi. Anybody? Nobody? Hi. The pleasure is all mine. You know, I really love the fact that, so I've been following them for a while, and I really like the covers that have come across. I think it's really fun. I think it's definitely evolved in all senses because of the people that you guys are choosing for the cover, and let's have fun. Which has completed a year today, guys, so yay. But I have a web series coming up in 2020, so that will be, I can't talk about it too much because the official press release hasn't happened. But there's that, then there's another film. Again, I can't talk about it too much, but exciting stuff in the future for sure. Thank you. I have already co-directed a play called Digbahan, which has been running for a while now. We've completed 50 shows very recently, actually. And because I've finished shooting my web series, I finally have time now. So we're actually going ahead with a lot more shows for the rest of the year. So across the city and across the country, actually. So please do come. If you like theatre, if you like Behens, please do come.